Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to make an Autotyper script in Python. First of all, you need to have Python installed in your computer. If you don't have it, you can search it on Google or YouTube. Next thing we need is the pyutogui module. We can install it by simply opening command prompt and typing pip install pyutogui. I already have it installed, so it says requirement already satisfied. Now let's move into the coding part. I am gonna create a new Python file with a .py extension. You can manually code the script, or you can go to the GitHub link in the description and copy and paste the code from there. You can use any text or code editor or even Notepad. First we import the required modules. The time.sleep function waits for the set amount of seconds before executing the script. Next, paste whatever text you want the script to type in the text variable. The next important thing is this pause variable. By changing the value here you can change the speed of the Autotyper. It is the pause in milliseconds after each character is typed by the script. The lower this value, the faster the script will type. Now let me show it in action. Paste your desired text and save the file. Then double-click the file and navigate to the place where you want the script to type. The script doesn't start typing immediately because we have set the time.sleep function to 4 seconds, so it waits for 4 seconds. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like this video.